A cluttered open orders list makes it harder for your team to spot what still needs attention. Ask Shopify Sidekick to build a scheduled flow that archives fulfilled orders older than 30 days. Sidekick understands the request and builds the workflow logic inside Shopify Flow. Here is the draft. It runs daily, finds matching open orders, and archives them automatically. Open the workflow in Flow, add it to your store, and review each step before turning it on. The scheduled time trigger runs every day at 9 a.m. in your store time zone. Because this is a schedule, Get Order Data brings matching orders into the workflow up to 100 per run. The advanced query looks for fulfilled open orders older than 30 days. Note, order search uses created at, not a direct fulfilled at filter. So creation date is the practical proxy here. The for each loop processes every order returned by Get Order Data. Archive order closes each current order in the loop. Archiving removes it from open without deleting history. When everything looks right, turn on the workflow. Your auto archive automation is now active. Before the run, open is crowded with old fulfilled orders that no longer need action. On the next scheduled run, Shopify Flow processes the matches. The older fulfilled orders move to archived. Recent orders stay in open. A cleaner queue without daily manual cleanup. Turn it on once, and Shopify Flow keeps your open orders list clean every day.